Chapter 1. Introduction. Running is one of the most accessible forms of exercise, requiring nothing more than a good pair of shoes and some open space. In this video, we'll explore the remarkable changes that occur in your body when you commit to running just 30 minutes every day. Chapter 2. Increased cardiovascular health. Running for 30 minutes daily significantly improves cardiovascular health. It strengthens the heart muscle, allowing it to pump blood more efficiently. Regular running can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Chapter 3. Weight management and fat loss. Running is an excellent way to burn calories and lose weight. By running for 30 minutes each day, you can increase your metabolism and create a calorie deficit. Over time, this leads to fat loss and a leaner, more toned physique. Chapter 4. Improved mental health. Running has powerful effects on mental well-being. It releases endorphins, chemicals in the brain that act as natural mood lifters. Regular running can reduce stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. Chapter 5. Stronger muscles and bones. Running is a weight-bearing exercise that strengthens muscles and bones. It helps to build stronger legs, core muscles, and even upper body strength. Running regularly can increase bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Chapter 6. Enhanced sleep quality. Running can improve sleep quality and duration. It helps regulate the body's circadian rhythm, promoting a more restful night's sleep. Running in the morning or early evening can lead to better sleep patterns. Chapter 7. Increased longevity. Studies have shown that regular runners tend to live longer than non-runner. Running reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, cancer, and stroke. By committing to just 30 minutes of running every day, you can significantly increase your lifespan. Chapter 8. Conclusion. Running for 30 minutes every day offers a multitude of benefits for both body and mind. Whether you're looking to improve your cardiovascular health, manage your weight, or boost your mood, lace up your shoes and hit the road. Your body will thank you for it.